Hi everybody, we are going to be talking about metric measurement lengths and relating them to what we're learning about decimals in this unit. So some notes for you to write down. You are welcome to pause me and just copy all of this down and then get my verbal explanation later. So if you look up here, I actually have a centimeter, or a yard, or a meter stick, I should say. And from right here to right here is 1 centimeter. From right here to right here, that's 2 centimeters from the end, or from this spot right here. All the way up, there's 10 centimeters, okay? So if we're looking at 10 centimeters, that is the same as saying, if we are looking at 1 centimeter, if we counted the little itty bitty baby hash marks there, which you probably can with your great young eyes, I can't. I know that there's a 5 right here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So if I am looking at just the amount of 2 millimeters, there's 2 millimeters, I would say that's 2/10, 2 of the 10 parts of a centimeter, because look, there's 10 of those there. So if I say 2 millimeters, I could say 0.2 centimeters. So if I have a shark tooth that is 3.2 centimeters, so that would be right where that little second little hash mark is, right there. There's 1, there's 2. I would say that is 3 centimeters plus 2 millimeters. Or we could just say 3.2 centimeters because it's a piece of that 1 centimeter. So if we are looking at one little itty bitty millimeter, it is 0.1 or 1/10 of a centimeter. And then if we looked at 1 millimeter and we look at this whole entire meter stick, which you're welcome to take a look at. I have those up front. There's 100 centimeters in this meter stick. One little itty bitty baby millimeter is 1 of 1,000 millimeter pieces. So it's 1/1000th of a meter. Okay. Centimeters, which are cm, there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is a 100th of a meter. And remember, I already told you this meter stick has 100 pieces to it, 100 centimeter pieces. So one of them is 1 of the 100 pieces of a meter. Okay, so now if we're looking at 1 meter, we've already kind of seen how it converts, but 1 meter has 1,000 millimeters in it. 1 meter has 100 centimeters in it, and if you look on the stick itself, it goes all the way up to 99, and then if it could fit the number 100, it would be right there. So let's say that a Triceratops horn, I have some dinosaur lovers in our group, but a Triceratops horn is 0.25 meters, or 25 hundredths of a meter. If I look on here and I see, well, there's the beginning and there's 25, wait a minute, that's exactly the same amount as 25 centimeters. So I'm saying the same thing. I can relate it to meters, or I can say, nope, it's 25 centimeters, and it is the exact same thing. Some things that they might ask you to do is looking on here. They might have you say, write this to the nearest 1/10 of a centimeter. And I see that it goes to about the 4 millimeter mark. So I would write this as 2.4 millimeters. This one, I see that it goes over the 3 and it lands at about the 8 right here, because this would be 9 and that's 4. So I would say that's 3.8 centimeters. Okay. This one, again, is not too difficult. If you want to see a meter stick to help you understand or see it a little bit better, you are so welcome to do that. This is a fun lesson, and metric is really what a lot of sciences use, so I'm glad you're getting some experience with it. Have a great lesson.